All right, today we are talking all about AromaTouch Essential Oil. I love this oil so much, and I'm so excited to share with you all about how to use this oil. So if you've been wondering, what is AromaTouch Essential Oil good for? This is the video for you. I'm gonna answer that question and share some fun facts about this beautiful essential oil. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, I love teaching about the power of essential oils. I've been doing it for over 10 years, and this particular oil just makes me happy. I love the way that the many different ways you can use this oil to support your body. If you stick around to the end, you'll have a chance to access my Essential Oils Made Easy class, and also you'll have a chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional usage. Sounds great, huh? AromaTouch Massage Blend eases away stress and feelings of tension with 6 powerfully relaxing essential oils. It's clean, it's fresh, it's minty. AromaTouch helps to relax the muscles and soothe frustration away. If you love the feeling of a relaxing massage, then you have to try our AromaTouch Essential Oil Blend. And this massage in a bottle can be applied to the shoulders for a quick break in the day, or it can be used as a more traditional, as a part of a more traditional massage to really enhance the rejuvenating benefits. AromaTouch Massage Blends offers many benefits. It calms anxious feelings, it relaxes muscles, it soothes irritated tissues, and it comforts upset emotions. AromaTouch is a powerfully calming essential oil blend that you can diffuse when you need to soothe that tension away or worry without, maybe you're not getting sleep or something like that. This blend includes cypress, marjoram, peppermint, basil, grapefruit, and lavender. I mean, come on, those are awesome essential oils. Cypress essential oil has been shown in new research to assist with feelings of anxiousness when experienced aromatically. Ancient Egyptians used marjoram primarily for its muscle-soothing properties, and peppermint essential oil has a high concentration of menthol, which contributes to the cooling and the tingling sensation of the AromaTouch blend. Now, basil is often used in massage due to the cooling sensation it provides to the skin. Now, this next oil is known for its energizing aroma. Grapefruit really uplifts the mood. And then we've got our sweet and ever popular lavender essential oil, which has a very powdery, fresh aroma, and it's also very relaxing. When you inhale or apply any of these topically, they really help to lessen feelings of tension and soothe away those feelings of anxiousness. Now, the AromaTouch Massage Blend is effective at diffusing tension when you use this aromatically or topically, and it's perfect for the midday stress buster just before an important event to really help ease away those nervous jitters. Now, doTERRA has an AromaTouch technique that you can use this blend with, and it helps for a very relaxing and soothing experience. The AromaTouch Massage Blend is also a popular oil to use in hand massages. You can try this, you can actually find the hand technique and learn how to do that to help escape from that daily stress. So 2 of my favorite ways to use AromaTouch Essential Oil are a couple drops to Epsom salts and put that in the hot bath. Oh, you're gonna love it. You can also apply it to your neck and your shoulders to really help promote feelings of relaxation and just lessen that tension. And you can actually use this one with a carrier oil, or you can apply it neat to the skin. If you want to get some AromaTouch Essential Oil, you can find the link in the description below. I'd also love to help you get a starter kit, and we do have our AromaTouch kit that you can get started with if you're interested in really diving in and learning more about essential oils. Okay, you made it to the end. It's a freebie time, so you can grab my Essential Oils Made Easy class in the description below. You can also get my essential oil usage guide. It will be found down there as well. Hopefully we'll see you in one of those classes, and go ahead and check out some more of my playlists, some more videos that we've got. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video and if it's taught you something. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.